Yep, it's Extreme BMX 1000. Do an updated bike check before Christmas, cause got a bunch of new parts and shit, so have new updates done. But you know, for now, Odyssey Pyron still holding up great. Best Pyron on the planet, I'd say. Fit Tech grips. We're down a bit, but I don't go through grips very fast. Fit Inman 2 bars off a complete bike, got off my friend. I'll grip again. Fit DLB, Fit Bike Co, you know. Shitty painted 7 bolts, Amber headset, gold spacers, Amber frame, fucking Amber forks, pretty nice. Demolition Momentum tire. Best tires on the planet. 2.35 front and back. So beefy, not even fit. Like they're, next to the premium Refuse tires, these are the fattest tires on the planet. They're amazing. So the Momentum right there, don't know if you can see it. Alienation Deviant rim, beat up a nice bit, you know, typical, whatever. Amber peg, I believe. I don't know, came off my bike, I think, but I don't know. Homemade hub guard, premium spokes, premium hub. Yeah, I had a lot of people talking about where the lock nut, I take it off, take the hub guard on right. I had 0 problems with it. I'm an avid grinder, but I haven't been it there lately because you can see. Yeah, it's really shitty out, snowy. But you know, I got the Amber Altar frame still, pretty nice, custom painted head tube and shit. I like how it came out. Got the Kink Sexton seat, sweet seat, love it, so fat. Feels sick with handballs too. Yeah, Kink seat post. Dance comp sticker, fucked up, you know. Bentley, fuck off! Bentley. Yeah, I got the McNeil light sprocket 28 tooth. And yeah, custom polished. I painted it red and sanded it down. You can see the red in there. Came out really nice. Bentley! The Shadow Interlock V2 chain. Yeah, it's really nice. Love it. The 1664 pedals. Bentley! Yeah, gnawing on the pedals. Yeah, the Amber cranks. Stolen in my room, but too lazy to go get them. Got the, it's a Hero pag, you know, whatever, pag's a pag. Custom hub guard again, like front, you know, whatever. The premium hub, premium spokes, and Alienation Black Sheep rim. Demolition Momentum again, best tires ever, like I said. You know, I have another bike check coming up on Christmas Day, probably, if not Boxing Day. Probably like 4 o'clock Christmas morning, you know, it was typical, but whatever. So, you know, comment, rate, and subscribe for this little fucker. And by the way, new frame, that's what I'm doing the bike check on. Colorado, baby. Boom! You know, love it. Anyways, so, yeah, that's about it. Comment, rate, subscribe.